everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you the syllabus of the Bachelor of Science, Computer Science, BSc CS, as per the CBSE scheme of Gulbarga University, Gulbarga. So this scheme of study and examination for the BSc Computer Science under the scheme of CBCS is affected from 2018-19 onwards. In the first semester, there is a paper code called AECC1A, which is Kannada or MIL. MIL means either you can go for Kannada or Hindi or Urdu. Okay, it is for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal. Similarly, AECC 1B is English 1 for 100 marks, 80 external, 20 internal. AECC 1C, which is Environmental Studies, and it is for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal. Now, DSC 1A. Okay, assume that in computer science, with computer science, if you have other subject like physics and maths, and your combination is PCM, BSc, PMCS, then physics, maths are the other subjects, and DSC 1A will be your maths, DSC 2A will be your physics. So maths and physics are other two subject, and DSC 3A is your computer subject. Okay, DSC 3A, object oriented programming using C++ for first semester for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internals. Similarly, in practicals, you will be having the practicals of DSC 1A, DSC 2A and DSC 3A, which is computer subject object oriented programming using C++ lab for 50. Okay, so all the lab examination for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 internals. So total first semester you will be having 750 marks and 28 credit points. Okay, languages will have 3 credit points, whereas environmental study, physics, maths and computer will have 4 credits, and your labs will be having 2 credit points. Okay, so total 28 will be the credits of the first semester. Similarly, in the second semester, you will be having the 2A and 2B language subjects, Kannada and English, again for 100 marks, 80 external, 20 internal. And in second semester, you will be having Indian Constitution subject for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal. And thereafter, DSC 1B, DSC 2B and DSC 3B. So DSC 1 and 2 are the physics maths subject, and the third subject will be the computer subject, which is data structure and file processing for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internals. Again, these all subjects, 100 mark subjects will have 4 credit points, whereas your 2 language, which are also the 100 marks papers, but you will be having 3 credit points. Okay, in practicals of the second semester, you will be having the practical of physics, maths and also the computer paper, data structure file processing lab for 50 marks, 40 external and 20 internal. And all the practical papers will have 2 credit points. So total 28 credit points and 750 marks for the second semester of the BSc. If I go to the third semester of the BSc, again you will be having the 3A and 3B subject, which are the languages. Okay, again for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internals and 3 credit points. DSC 1C. Why C? C because we are in third semester. So DSC 1, 2, 3 subjects of third semester, physics, maths and computer. In computer, numerical computing subject is there for third semester BSc, and it is for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal, and will have 4 credit points. So all these 3 physics, maths, computer will have 4 credit points. Similarly, in the practicals, you will be having the practical of physics, maths and computer, that is numerical computing lab for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 internals, and we will have 2 credit points. So total 24 credit points. As we studied the environmental study in first semester and Indian Constitution in second semester, so those 2 papers will not be studied into third and fourth semester. So you will be having only 3 discipline specific course subjects and 2 languages. Okay, so total marks will be 650 and 24 credits. Similarly, in the fourth semester also you will be having 2 languages of 100 marks with 3 credit points, and you will be having 3 specific subjects of 100 marks with 4 credits, and also you will be having the practical exams on all the 3 specific papers with the 50-50 lab marks. Okay, with 2 credits. So 24 credits for the fourth semester and 650 marks will be there. Okay, and after this, if we go to the fifth semester, you will be having DSE, discipline specific elective subjects. Okay, so why it is elective? Because in elective subjects you can elect, or we can say select a specific subject which you want to study. Okay, for example, in DSE 3, okay, so in computer there is a Java programming, database management system, data communication and networks, and software engineering. Among these 4 papers, student can choose any one which he or she wants to study. Okay, so you may choose your own subject of interest, okay, and study for 100 marks, and which will be for 4 credits. Okay, so you will face the theory examinations of 80 marks and 20 for internals, and similarly other 2 subjects also, DSC 1, physics, maths, okay, 1 and 2. Apart from that, there is a skill enhancement course subject, okay, 1 and 2, okay, which is paper code is SEC 1 and 2. Okay, so here also you may choose any one. Office automation tools are there and PHP programming. So you may choose any one among these 2 for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 practical marks with 2 credit points. And similarly, SEC2, Android programming, XML programming for 50 marks, 40 external, 10 internals. Okay, again for 2 credit points. So in practicals also you will be having DSE 1, 2, 3. Okay, so all the 3 practicals for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 internals with 2 credit points. Total 22 credit point for the 5th semester with 550 marks of examination. Okay, coming to the 6th semester, again there is a SEC 3 and SEC 4. Okay, skill enhancement course 3 and 4, and again you may choose any one from 3 and 4 for 50 marks, and DSE 4, DSE 5 your physics, maths, and DSE 6 is your computer. Again there are 4 papers: Python programming, web technologies, data mining and operating system. You may choose any one among these 4 for 100 marks for 80 external and 20 internal with 4 credit points. Okay, and again there is a practical DSE 4, 5, 6. Okay, so discipline specific elective subjects for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 internal with 2 credit points. So total 22 credit points will be there for 6th semester, and you will face 550 marks of examination in 6th semester. Total 1 to 6 semester, 3,900 marks of examination will be conducted with 148 credit points. So this is all about BSc syllabus of the Gulbarga University. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for the latest videos. Thank you.